Deliberations have begun in the federal corruption trial of former Illinois House Speaker Mike Madigan. Thank you for joining us at 5. I'm Don Hasbrook.
I'm Scott Schneider. So after more than 3 months of testimony, the fate of Madigan and his longtime political ally Michael McLean now rests in the hands of the jury. Our Casey Cronus is live with the latest. Casey.
Hi, Don and Scott. Jurors over the course of this trial have heard dozens of wiretap recordings, listened to testimony from more than 60 witnesses, and seen countless pieces of government evidence. It has been a long, slow, and meticulous process, but we are now nearing the end. The jury went home for the day around 4:30 today after choosing a foreman, but will be back bright and early tomorrow to continue deliberating. They didn't have much time behind closed doors today. At about 3:15, almost immediately after the government wrapped up its final rebuttal, the jury received the case. Given the number of counts they must discuss and decide, 23 of them, it will likely take several days to come to a verdict. Of those counts, bribery, wire fraud, and racketeering. During his rebuttal, Assistant U.S. Attorney Amarjeet Bachu left no stone unturned, walking the jury through each count once more while summarizing the government's case. A handwritten letter that Madigan's co-defendant Michael McLean wrote to him was revisited. It's in that letter that McLean wrote that Madigan had his hand on the rudder of the state. Bachu argues that Madigan had more than that he also had his hand on the trust of each and every member of the public, which the government says he abused and betrayed. The federal prosecutor also said these folks are not playing checkers, they are playing chess, and the two of them are grand masters at corruption. Within 20 minutes of being sent for deliberations, the jury had a couple of questions, one of them being that they needed more pens and highlighters back in the deliberation room. They also told the judge they have decided they will deliberate on Fridays. It's typically been a day off for them throughout the course of this trial. Reporting live from the Dirksen Federal Courthouse, Casey Cronus, Fox 32, Chicago.